Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to download DeepSeek AI. Firstly, it's available on mobile, available on Apple and App Store or Google Play Store. It's powered by DeepSeek V3, not the hyped R1 model. It's perfect on the go AI assistants. Just search for DeepSeek Assistant or DeepSeek on Google Play Store or Apple Store and download the application. And also, if you're familiar with ChatGPT's web version, DeepSeek has a similar browser-based model. No downloads needed, just visit deepseek.com and start chatting instantly. And there is local installation if you want to run DeepSeek AI locally. Your PC must be powerful enough because DeepSeek V3 model ways are open source and can be found on Hugging Face. Just go to huggingface.co and download the DeepSeek AI model. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.